Okay, by using cross multiplication, that is I will write. Okay, first we will write in this one summation 1 by alpha square plus beta square. Once again, 1 by alpha square plus beta square. What will write in this one? That is, here their denominator is alpha square, beta square and gamma square there. For alpha square and beta square there is no gamma square, that is I will write gamma square, here I will write alpha square, here I will write beta square, that is the given value is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma whole square will write. How to expand in this one? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus when it is of the form a square plus b square plus c square, that is I will write a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 of ab, that is I will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha by their denominator is alpha beta gamma whole square will write. What about the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is the value is minus c whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q by alpha beta gamma is minus r whole square. That is I will write c square minus 2q by r square will write. This is for first one. After now I will explain that second one. That is beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha square by gamma alpha plus alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Okay, the numerator and denominator can multiplying and dividing by alpha. That is what will write. What will write? That is here given one can be written as alpha into beta square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma. Again, here gamma alpha there is no beta, given one also can multiplied by beta, beta into alpha square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma will write. Here also alpha beta there is no gamma, that is I will write gamma into alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta gamma will write. That is what about value. Here their denominator is alpha beta gamma, remaining will write part by how to write alpha beta square plus alpha gamma square as well as beta alpha square plus beta gamma square plus gamma alpha square plus again will write gamma beta square will write gamma beta square will write, that is given one can written as here summation alpha beta square there and also summation beta alpha square there and also summation after we'll discuss next one is what will write in this one. Here alpha beta square there after we'll write given one can be written as alpha beta square plus remaining will beta gamma square plus gamma alpha square will write, that is nothing but first will write alpha beta square plus after that beta gamma square plus after will write gamma alpha square Remaining will write, first will write alpha beta square plus, after will write beta gamma square plus gamma alpha square will write, gamma alpha square will write. Again, given one can be written as, again given one can be written as what will write? Once again, we'll observe, just wait for 1 minute. Again we'll write, summation alpha square beta plus, this is alpha square beta, and also this is alpha square beta. Again we'll write here, what about the values? Here remaining will write beta square gamma plus, again we'll write gamma square alpha will write by their denominator is alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma. What will write in this one? This is summation alpha beta square plus summation beta gamma square plus summation gamma alpha square, that is nothing but summation alpha beta square plus, okay, second one I will write summation alpha square beta by alpha beta gamma will write. Already we know one formula, that is summation alpha square beta plus summation alpha beta square is equal to what will write? That is alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus what will write? 3 alpha beta gamma will write. 3 alpha beta gamma will write. Okay, we have to apply in this place, that is I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus 3 alpha beta gamma by their denominator is alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma. What about the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is the given value is minus p into, again alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q minus 3 into alpha beta gamma is minus r by, and also will write minus alpha beta gamma is minus r, that is I will write, I will common, okay, minus into minus will become plus, okay, again I will common minus, remaining will write pq minus 3r by r minus r will write plus into minus minus, minus into minus will become plus, minus and minus will cancel, remaining will write pq minus 3r by r, that is the value for second one. We'll write in this two, after now I will explain remaining two. After now I will explain third one. alpha plus beta plus q is minus p. After that, another one is q. Finally, alpha beta gamma is minus 1. After, now I am going to third one, that is beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha into gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. We'll observe there is no alpha in this term, that is I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha minus 3 alpha will write, plus alpha and minus alpha will cancel, remaining is beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha. After will write there is no beta in this term, that is I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma minus beta minus 3 beta. After I will write there is no gamma, that is I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma minus 3 gamma will write, minus gamma minus 3 gamma will write. This is the value is alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 alpha, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 beta. After that, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 gamma will write, 4 gamma will write. So we'll observe what about the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is the value is minus 3, that is I will write minus p minus 4 alpha. After that, minus p minus 4 beta. After that, minus p minus 4 gamma will write. Again I will common minus, that is minus of p plus 4 alpha into minus of p plus 4 beta into minus of p plus 4 gamma will write. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, that is I will write minus of p plus 4 alpha into p plus 4 beta into p plus 4 gamma will write. We'll observe we know one formula, that is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, that is I will write x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc will write, abc will write, that is minus of given one can be written as p cube plus 4 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 gamma into p square plus, where given a is 4 alpha, b is 4 beta, that is I will write 4 alpha 4 beta plus 4 beta 4 gamma plus 4 gamma 4 alpha into x plus 4 alpha 4 beta 4 gamma 4 alpha 4 beta 4 gamma will write. That is what about the value here? That is minus of p cube plus I will common 4, remaining will write alpha plus beta plus gamma into p square. After that, 4 4 16 is common, remaining will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. 4 4 16, 16 4 64, alpha beta gamma will write. Again we'll substitute their values, that is minus of p cube plus 4 into, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus p into p square. After that, 16 into their value is q plus 64 into given value is minus r will write. That is what will write in this given one, that is minus of p cube minus 4p cube plus 16q plus 16q minus 64r will write. That is equal to, okay, minus 4p cube minus p cube is minus 3p cube, minus into minus is plus, that is I will write 3p cube minus 16q plus 64r will write, 64r will write. This is for second one, this is for second one. After now I will discuss the third one is After now, I will discuss fourth one, that is fourth one is summation alpha cube beta cube. Have to expand in this one. Summation alpha cube beta cube. Have to expand in these three terms. That is, I will write alpha cube beta cube plus beta cube gamma cube plus here given one can be written as what will write? Will find summation alpha cube beta cube. What do I have to write? Summation alpha cube beta cube. That is, I will write alpha cube beta cube plus beta cube gamma cube plus gamma cube alpha cube will write. Already we know one formula. What is that formula? First we'll write a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, you know this formula? That is, I will write a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will write. Again, we have to expand in this one. Minus 3abc will become this side. That is, the given value is plus. That is, I will write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to. Again, we'll change this value. A square plus b square plus c square. That is, I will write a plus b plus c into. How to extend in this one? That is, I will write a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 of ab plus bc plus ca. After we'll write plus 3abc. But by the problem, we'll substitute let a is equal to alpha beta and b is equal to beta gamma and c is equal to gamma alpha will take. C is equal to gamma alpha will take. That is, the given value is alpha beta whole cube plus beta gamma whole cube plus gamma alpha whole cube is equal to what will write? That is, I will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into remaining will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 3 into where a is alpha beta, b is beta gamma. Okay, again I will common alpha beta gamma in this term. Remaining will write alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 3 into where a is alpha beta, b is beta gamma, c is gamma alpha means that is, I will write alpha beta gamma whole square will write. Okay, here what about the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha here? That is, the value is q. Remaining will write q square minus 3 into where alpha beta gamma is minus r into where alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus p. After we'll write 3 into minus r whole square. That is, the given one can be written as q into q square minus 3br plus 3r square will write. We'll multiply in this one. That is, I will write q cube minus 3pqr plus 3r square will write. This is the given value of summation alpha cube plus beta cube. Summation alpha cube and beta cube. This is the given value is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. After now, I will discuss next one. That is after now I will explain next one. That is third section. First one is if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube minus x cube minus x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then find the equation. Whose roots are alpha square plus beta square comma beta square plus gamma square comma gamma square plus alpha square gamma square plus alpha square. Observe what is giving in this problem. Okay, given that by the problem alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of are the roots of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. Given one, we'll write first 1 into x cube plus of minus 6 into x square plus 11x plus of minus 6 will become 0. After, we have to compare in this one, that is the given value is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay, already we know. What about the roots of given equation? The roots of given equation are alpha, gamma, beta and gamma. First we'll write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. That is the value is minus of minus 6 by 1 is equal to 6. After we'll write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to 3 by a. Here, what about the value will appear? What about the value will appear? That is, I will write. And also, one more method will take. This is long process. Okay, given equation will take f of x. Given equation will take f of x. That is, net f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 will write. 11x minus 6 will write. Okay, that is x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. X minus 1 is a factor of f of x. That means, okay, given one is a factor means 1 cube is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 12 minus 12 will become 0. That is the value x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. We will write their coefficients. X cube coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is minus 6. X coefficient is 11. Constant is minus 6. Here we will take empty value 1 will become. After 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. After that, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 into 6 is 6. That is minus 6 plus 6 will become 0. Already we know x is equal to 1 is a factor. Remaining will write x is equal to 1. We reduced x cube into x means remaining will write x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. First, we'll take their multiplication. We'll take their multiplication is 6. After, we'll take their addition is minus 5. I will take the factors minus 3 and minus 2. Here we'll write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. I will common x, remaining will write x minus 3. After will common minus 2, remaining will write x minus 3 equal to 0. That is the common term is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Here two roots will appear. First I will take let alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3 will write. Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. By the problem, we will find alpha square plus beta square and beta square plus gamma square and gamma square plus alpha square. First we will write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha square plus beta square is equal to what will write? What about the value here? Already we know this value also. Finally we'll write, so I'm extremely sorry. This is x is equal to 2 comma 3. This is x is equal to 1. Finally we'll write x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let us take alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2 and gamma is equal to 3 will take. First we'll write alpha square plus beta square is equal to, that is I will write 1 square plus 2 square, that is nothing but 5. After we'll write beta square plus gamma square, that is 2 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 4 is 13. After we'll take gamma square plus alpha square, that is I will write 3 square plus 1 square, this is nothing but 10. This is nothing but 10. By the problem, what we'll find, I will write alpha square plus beta square, comma, beta square plus gamma square, comma, gamma square plus alpha square, be the roots of a cubic equation is what will write, that is the formula x minus of alpha square plus beta square into x minus of beta square plus gamma square into x minus of gamma square plus alpha square will become 0. What about the value of alpha square plus beta square? That is the given value is 5, x minus 5 into, after that x minus 13 into, after that x minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0. We know one formula. Okay, if alpha comma beta comma gamma be the roots of a cubic equation is what is that formula? That is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equal to 0, or given one can be written as x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. I will take this one. Okay, I will write x cube minus, where given alpha is 5, beta is 13, gamma is 10 into x square. After we will write remaining 5 into 13 plus 13 into 10 plus 10 into 5 into x. After we will write 5 into 13 into 10 will become 0. Observe. Okay, 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. That is, I will write x cube minus 28 x square. After that, 13 into 5. 13 5, 65. 13 10, 130. 10 5, 50 into x minus 13 10, 130. Okay, 130 into 5. 130 into 5, 13 5, 65, that is 650 will become 0. 650 will become 0. Have to extend in this one. Observe, 130 plus 50 is 180. 180 plus 65 is 245. That is, I will write x cube minus 28 x square plus 245 x minus 650 will become 0. How to write in this one? How to write in this one? After now, I will explain next one. So next second one is if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0, then find the equation whose roots are alpha minus beta whole square comma beta minus gamma whole square comma gamma minus alpha whole square. We'll observe in this one. First we'll write if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. X cube minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Given equation will take f of x, that is f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x plus 6. Okay, here x is equal to 1, given equation is 0. That is I will write, that is x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Here by using synthetic division, x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1, where x cube coefficient is 1, there is no x square coefficient, that is 0, and x coefficient is minus 7, constant is 6. We'll take empty place, given 1 is 1, after 1 into 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, remaining will write 1 into 1 is 1, minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, both will be cancelled, the remainder is 0. That is, I will write x is equal to 1, remaining will write x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. We will take their multiplication is minus 6, their addition is 1. I will take the factors 3 and the minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. That is, I will write x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. First I will common x, remaining will write x plus 3. After I will common minus 2, remaining will write x plus 3 equal to 0. That is the common term. X minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. That is, I will write x is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Finally, we will write x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. That is, I will write where alpha equal to 1, beta is equal to 2, and gamma is equal to minus 3. Gamma is equal to minus 3. We know all the values. First, we will find alpha minus beta whole square. Alpha minus beta whole square. What about the value of alpha here? They are given alpha is 1, beta is 2. 1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. After we will find beta minus gamma whole square is equal to, that is, I will write 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3, 2 plus 3 whole square, 5 square is 25. After we will take gamma minus alpha whole square, that is minus 3 minus 1 whole square is nothing but 16. Nothing but 16. Here, if alpha minus beta whole square comma beta minus gamma whole square comma gamma minus alpha whole square are the roots of cubic equation is what will write, that is, I will write x minus of alpha minus beta whole square into x minus of beta minus gamma whole square into x minus of gamma minus alpha whole square is equal to 0. This is a cubic polynomial, means I will write where given one is x minus, where alpha minus beta whole square is nothing but what about the value 1 into x minus 25 into x minus 16 will become 0. Okay, I will write x cube minus where alpha is 1 plus 25 plus 16 into x square plus Remaining will write 1 into 25 plus 25 into 16 plus 16 into 1 into x minus 1 into 25 into 16 will become 0. Is what will write x cube minus 26 plus 16, 12, 4. That is 42 into x square. After that, 25 into 16. 6 5 is 30. After that, 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. After that, 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2, 0, 10, 4. 400. 425 plus 16 is 41. That is the value is plus 441 into x. After we take the value 25 into 16 is nothing but 400 is equal to 0. 400 is equal to 0. We'll write this one. Done. After now, I will discuss last problem in this exercise. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation x cube minus 3ax plus b is equal to 0, then prove that summation alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma is equal to 9a. Okay, first we'll write given equation, that is 1 into x cube. There is no x square coefficient, means that is I will write 0 into x square, remaining will write minus 3a into x plus b is equal to 0. Given one can compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. The roots of given one is alpha, gamma, beta and gamma. Alpha, gamma, beta and gamma. First we'll write alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a minus 0 by 1 equal to 0. After that, second one is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 3 by a, that is minus 3a by 1 equal to minus 3a. After that, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a, that is the value is minus b by 1 is equal to minus b. Here we'll take by the problem, their value is summation alpha minus beta into summation alpha minus gamma. What will write? That is the value. Already we know one formula. x minus alpha into x minus beta, right? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta will write. Given one also I will write alpha square minus beta plus gamma into alpha plus beta gamma will write. Now I am going to first condition. What is that first condition? Where alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. This given one, beta plus alpha will write minus alpha. Substitute in this one. That is I will write summation alpha square minus half minus alpha into alpha plus beta gamma will write. That is nothing but summation alpha square plus beta gamma will write. That is nothing but summation 2 alpha square plus summation beta gamma will write. 2 is common. After will write summation alpha square. Remaining will write summation beta gamma. I would expand in this one. That is I will write 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. After we'll expand this one beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha beta. Again, their value is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square, alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square. Again, we'll expand this one. That is, I will write 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus, again we'll write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will write. That is the given value is 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 4 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will write. Minus 4 plus 1 will become minus 3. That is 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 3 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, right? 2 into given value is 0 whole square minus 3 into minus 3a. 0 into any value is 0, minus into minus is plus, 3 into 3a is 9a. That is the given value is 9a. This is for RHS. How to write in this one? Remaining will explain in next class.